Hello, fifth grade. Welcome to Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. You got a chance to enjoy the nice weather and get outside and play some. This week, we're going to be doing two different activities that are called How Many. This is going to be day one of it. It's going to be like this on Wednesday, too, but it's going to be a little bit different format. So I'll talk to you a little bit more about that on Wednesday. But here's how this one's going to work for today, for Monday. So first off, what you're going to do is you are going to go get some things for this activity. You're going to need a deck of playing cards. You're also going to need a way to take a picture, like your cell phone, a tablet, a Chromebook, or a computer itself. It's just some way you can take a picture and then upload it to Google Form when you get ready to answer the questions. You're also going to need some paper and a pencil. So within Google Form, there's a picture of some playing cards. What you're going to do is you're going to look at it through a mathematician's eyes, and you're going to look at the cards and see if you can see a pattern within those cards. There are questions that follow the picture that will guide you through the process. Make sure that while you are looking at the cards and trying to answer the questions, make sure that you answer all the questions in complete sentences, and make sure that you have the correct amount of sentences for each one as well. Once you are done with those questions, I think it's the second to last question, you're going to be required to make a pattern using your playing cards, just like in the problem. You do not have to use all of your playing cards. You can use just a couple of them. But once you get done with that pattern and with your cards, you're going to go ahead and take a picture of that card pattern and then upload it to Google Forms. It is one of the last questions, the second to last question. You'll see it. It says upload picture, and then you're going to upload the picture, and then I'll be able to see it. After you're done uploading it, the last question is having you describe what your pattern is. Make sure you're using math terms and that you're being very descriptive in your process as to how you created the pattern and that kind of stuff. So if you have any questions about this problem or any of this work, please shoot me an email, or you can see me on our Tuesday office hours at 1 o'clock, or even our Google Classroom, or sorry, Google Classroom, or Zoom Classroom on Tuesday at 2 o'clock. Also, make sure that you are logging in to Prodigy on Monday and Khan Academy on Tuesday. I'm watching those and seeing who's doing it. Some of you are logging in quite well. Others have not even logged in yet. So make sure that you're logging in for it. Okay? Have fun, guys. Have a great week. Take care.